Hello learners, this module emphasizes on health benefit of fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek is used as a spice for preparation in various cuisine. Its botanical name Trigonella phenum graecum recognized itself as a medicinal plant used to its diverse activities such as anti-cancer, anti-inflammatory, antiseptic, astringent, expectorant and wound healing. It has also shown a gastroprotective effect. It is one of the primary supplement used for type 2 diabetics or non-insulin dependent diabetes mellitus. Fenugreek is a very rich source of polysaccharides, galactomannan, but it also has a source of saponins. It also contains flavonoids, amino acids, alkaloids and other bioactive constituents like mucilage, volatile oils, etc. The consumption of fenugreek has been proved safe for human life and may be easily implemented for health benefit through its rich fiber content and other bioactive components. Learners, we will be learning about health benefit of fenugreek. Let us begin with fenugreek and type 2 diabetes. There are significant studies that have been carried out to show the efficacy of fiber, especially the soluble part of fenugreek dietary fiber on blood and serum glucose management and insulin production. It has been reported that soluble fiber of fenugreek postpones the digestion and absorption of carbohydrate, resulting in the improvement of glucose homeostasis. It could be explained by extensive gel formation and low viscosity of resulting gel inside the intestine, which may result in delaying gastric emptying and decrease the intestinal transit time of food mass. Trapping the glucose inside the gel may leach out slowly and prevent the sudden rise of blood glucose levels. It has also been stated that hypoglycemic effect was highest in whole seed, followed by gum isolates, extracted seeds and cooked seeds, whereas leaves had the weakest effect. Therefore, fenugreek seeds should be advocated to diabetic patient. It was observed that administration of 25 to 50 grams of fenugreek seeds daily to a diabetic patient through diet reduced the glycemic index significantly. On the other hand, water extract of fenugreek seeds has higher hypoglycemic and anti-hyperglycemic potential, and also for this reason it may be used as a supplementary medicine to treat diabetes. Let us now learn about fenugreek and its cholesterol lowering effect. There is a scientific information and clinical data on efficacy of dietary fiber, especially the soluble counterpart such as beta-glucans or galactomannan in the management of hypercholesteremia. Fenugreek derived galactomannan, due to its unique structure of galactose to mannose 1:1 ratio, has shown to have maximum effectiveness in lowering the plasma cholesterol level. Soluble fiber portion reduced only the dangerous low density lipoprotein and triglycerides intake, whereas keeping the good high density cholesterol intact. The biochemical mechanism of soluble fiber as hypolipidemic agent can be explained principally by its capacity to bind bile acid, which are therefore excreted rather than reprocessed to blood. This helps to reduce the cholesterol. The fermentation of soluble fiber may be done by bacteria in the colon, which produces short chain fatty acid and reduce cholesterol synthesis. Mechanisms which are proposed for the effect are stimulation of bile formation in the liver, transformation of cholesterol into bile acid, the viscosity of the digest reducing cholesterol and bile acid absorption, and the production of volatile fatty acids by fiber fermentation, which seems to prevent hepatic cholesterol synthesis. Application of fenugreek seeds as galactagogue. Traditionally, fenugreek seeds have been a part of lactating mother's diet to improve milk production. Fenugreek is one of the most frequently used galactagogue that stimulates breast milk secretion. It is speculated that fenugreek induces sweat production, and since breast is modified sweat gland, it affects the breast milk secretion. It has been demonstrated that it has estrogenic activity that is effective on breast milk production. Fenugreek seed contain estrogen-like compound which stimulates PS2 expression in MCF-7 cell lines. Phytoestrogens and diosgenin of fenugreek appear to account for increase in milk flow. Learners, let us now understand fenugreek and its antioxidant activity. Fenugreek seeds contain phenolic and flavonoid compounds which help to enhance its antioxidant capacity. Fenugreek has powerful antioxidant property that has been beneficial effect on health. Germinated fenugreek seeds are observed to be more beneficial than dried seeds because of the fact that germinated seeds increases the bioavailability of different constituents of fenugreek. The seed extract exhibited scavenging of hydroxy radicals. Fenugreek seed extract with methanol, ethanol, dichloromethane, acetone, hexane, ethyl acetate has a radical scavenging activity. The proximate composition of fenugreek seeds, husk and cotyledons had the highest saponins and protein content. In contrast, husk had a higher total polyphenol. At 200 micrograms concentration, fenugreek seed extracts of husk and endosperm exhibited 72%, 64% and 56% antioxidant activities respectively by free radical scavenging activity. Cancer is a very serious and complicated disease created by uncontrolled irregular cell growth. Except for the genetic defects which contributes to 5 to 10% of cancer incidence, rest 90 to 95% can be limited by changing lifestyle, increasing physical activity, avoiding smoking and utilizing nutritionally balanced diet. The anti-carcinogenic activity of fenugreek has been reported in several studies. Incorporation of fenugreek seeds in the diet modulates the activity of beta glucuronidase and mucinase and inhibit colon carcinogenesis. The activity of beta glucuronidase significantly decrease the free carcinogens which are not effective on colonocytes. Mucinase help in hydrolyzing the protective mucin, and this was correlated with the presence of fiber, flavonoids and saponins. The antioxidant activity of plant is due to its active phytochemicals it has been reported that fenugreek possesses a great antioxidant property that has a beneficial effect on liver and pancreas because of its phenol and flavonoid compound. It has been stated that fenugreek seed extract reduces lipid peroxidation and hemolysis of red blood cells. Let us now see how fenugreek helps in digestion. The spice consumed in the diet positively influence the pancreatic digestive enzymes. Non-starchy polysaccharides increase the bulk of the food and the bowel movement. Also, non-starchy polysaccharide assist in smooth digestion, where high fiber of fenugreek helps in relieving constipation. Let's conclude, learners. Over the last few years, several studies have been carried out on medicinal and functional properties of fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek is rich in fiber, protein, and due to its valuable bioactive components has promising therapeutic applications. Anti-diabetic, antioxidant, hypocholesteremic activity are the major medicinal properties of fenugreek demonstrated in various studies. Based on these several health benefits, fenugreek can be recommended as a part of our daily diet.